Do you know how to plant things?
I think that was a bad idea. Should we take the dog, Dev?
I'm looking up the Wim Hof method.
3, 2, 1.
Hello!
This week, we are gonna do as many spring things as we can because we're in between seasons and it's not the best weather.
Yeah, it's kind of that like muddy, but kind of still cold, no snow. You want to go outside and do things, but kind of don't know what to do.
This week it was like nice and warm. It hit like 18 degrees. But unfortunately today, on Saturday,
It's like 6 degrees.
yeah.
So we're really going to try and do as many spring things as we can to really get into the spirit of the warm weather that is going to be coming.
Cool.
All right, let's get to it.
Welcome to the Devin Baking Show. I'm not much of a baker, so Devin's sort of in charge. We're gonna make
Spring/Easter double chocolate banana muffins. We're kind of making up the recipe as we go, but the main thing is we have mini eggs. So we're gonna make some muffins and then deliver them to some people for a nice little spring Easter activity.
Let's get to it.
Okay, first step is mashing the bananas, so I'm gonna put Keith on this job. What are you doing?
Joke. The banana peels.
Okay, next we're gonna add 4 eggs.
It doesn't look all that great. This guy is now at 350.
Okay, so now we load these up.
As you can see, my tray is quite a bit cleaner than Devin's tray.
Oh my gosh! Get out of town. We don't know if it's sweet enough, so we're adding maple syrup a bit later. We may or may not be sharing this recipe. Ta-da! Wish us luck.
Oh, there's stuff in there.
We do this every time.
I think what's gonna happen is that all the mini eggs you put on top are just gonna go to the bottom. I think that was a bad idea.
Kate, you're so negative. Ooh, they actually look good.
I think we did it.
I think they work. So that means our recipe is going to be linked below if you want to check it out, because I wrote it down.
We know what we did?
Hopefully it works. Yeah, I wrote it down.
Oh, good.
So you can check it out if you want to try them.
We're gonna try them now. We filled it.
They look so good.
They're really good.
So delicious.
Pretty decent.
And now we're off to our next activity.
Right
Let's
on.
go. Oh, I'm so happy.
All right, so we're gonna go deliver these really quick. Maybe right here, and then do a quick lap around the block.
To deliver some of our treats. Let's go. Hello. We have some Easter treats for you.
Hey, I'm on
He's
camera.
in
We're
it.
gonna be in the vlog. Trip up for you and Lisa
Thanks
and
very
Lisa's
much,
mom.
Devin and Keith. Okay,
Thank
take
you.
care.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Delivery 1 complete. We would have walked, but we have a lot on our plate today, so we're just driving to speed things up a bit. The little puppies are coming for us.
You are the cutest little puppy. Wow, this is like ideal dog.
Oh, we're all scarred up.
Oh.
Oh, bite the eyes. There you go.
You're a funny little dog.
Spring puppies.
Spring puppies. This is perfect. This animal's perfect.
Oh, gotta go check it out.
we take the dog, Deb? Come on, dog.
Keith, no.
Would you like one? Oh, yes, I love one.
Thank you.
Yes, I would love that. I want one of those.
Thanks for letting us play with Molly. Off to our next neighborhood.
Holy Hannah, that puppy was so nice.
Our final delivery. Let's go. Oh, we have some deliveries for you guys.
Hello,
We made
Emily.
some Easter treats.
Emily's back.
Yeah, wow, yummy.
Well, it could be for Emily too. Are you serious?
They're fine. They're fine.
Oh yeah, they landed upside, you
They're
know.
fine. There we go. They're fine.
They eat
Okay,
them?
we'll take these away, but they're
No,
still
we're good.
good.
Oh yeah, they're golden.
Oops. There's still a tray that looks nice. Anna.
Oh yeah.
They're still good.
Actually. Bye.
See ya.
We just finished our deliveries, and next up we are going to do some planting. Let's go. Do you know how to plant things? You worked at a forest garden. What's it called?
A garden center.
Garden center?
It's like frozen. It's like you're milking it.
According to our expert, next we have to do a little small layer of potting mix.
So we planted the seeds. We did our best. We're not very experienced with this.
Hopefully they grow. We'll keep you posted. Now we just have to wait, I guess.
Yeah.
We're trying new things, spring things. We planted things.
Hey. That was a good spring thing. Next spring thing. How about a spring run? It's like 6 degrees, but this is spring weather. This is a good time for a run.
That was actually way colder than I expected it to be. I'm looking up the Wim Hof method. We are on our last activity of the day, and honestly, I'm kind of really nervous.
Yeah. It's going to be a polar bear dip down by the water at Scott Monique's house.
In Lake Ontario, not a small little lake, a huge giant lake.
Yeah, it's gonna be cold. So we tested the water with a meat thermometer, and it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit, which is, I mean, it's expected that it'd be about this cold, you know, between 1 and 4 degrees Celsius.
So everyone did this last year and I did not, but then I found Keith's old, oh goodness, I can't move, wetsuit. So I'm going in a wetsuit.
Unreal.
Give me a second. Ta-da! Everybody's giving me slack for this wetsuit. What the heck?
All right, let's go. Polar bear dip in March. What day is it? March 27th?
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Holy Hannah!
Oh my gosh.
Yes, Sam! Woo! Take it off! Breathe it in! Good job, team.
Yay! To the hot tub!
To the hot tub, dudes. Do it, Deb.
This is better because it's at least half not a wetsuit. I just can't get it off. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yes, that's way worse. Oh my god. Wetsuits work really wonders.
Thank you very much for joining us.
We did it. That was, I mean, good job. Thanks for coming, guys.
That wasn't bad, and I don't think
Okay.
I need to go in the hot tub just yet. That was pretty decent.
Yeah, now I feel warm, so it was good.
So I think we completed our spring day.
Yeah, it was a good spring day. We did lots. It is the summer's coming. We went in the water.
Summer's coming.
Woo!
Already there. Just wait here on this dock and wait for summer. Thanks for watching.
Evan, what are you doing? Can you help?
You will. Oh, okay. That's the mic. Wait, hold up.
Oh, it burns.
Hurt the cut.
Yeah, it's bleeding already.
Oh.
Oh.